Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fadil Muhammad. Today I will present about Elizabethan, its contextual history and the literature in the era, and about William Shakespeare by Fadil Muhammad. Okay, the first is Elizabeth period, uh, around 1550 until 1620. The Elizabeth period lasts from 1550 until 1620. Queen Elizabeth extended the throne toward the end of 1558. 1558. Elizabeth was a wise queen. He success in solving important problems such as religion, peace with Scotland, the establishment of a national government, and achievement, achievement such as international trade, power of sea, and victories over the Spanish Armada. The Elizabeth time in the world of English literature is known as the Golden Age. Literature experienced the peak of development during the reign of Elizabeth. At the time of Elizabeth, all doubts seemed to have disappeared from the history of British society. After the reign of Edward and Mary, with defeats and moral devastation abroad, thanks to the reigns of kings such as Sunrise After a Long Night, Elizabeth, with all her arrogance and inconsistency, has slowly come to love England and the greatness of English land, and it has inspired everyone with the boundless patriotism that Shakespeare boasts in her very queen. Under his rule, the British state development at a greater rate than before, and English literature reaches the cusp of its development. Okay, next is socio-political background. The history of English literature begins with the occurrence of the Renaissance, or also known as the New Birth. The 15th and 16th centuries saw the European Renaissance, New Birth, one of the three or four major transformational movements in European history. This literary period is called the Elizabeth era because it occurred during the reign of Queen Elizabeth I in England. Okay, next characteristic Elizabeth period. Literature progressed rapidly and has developed far beyond the medieval period. Therefore, the Elizabeth period is also called the Golden Period. The Golden Age. Romance is one type of literary work that exists in this period. It was more conscientious but still influenced by classical Greek literature. Other types are tragedy and comedy. Tragedy generally and in sadness or death, while comedy and in happiness. Okay, next slide about William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born in Stratford-upon the United Kingdom in April 1564. He was a son of middle-class parents, John and Mary Shakespeare. They lived in a small town of Stratford-upon. Found in Worcestershire, Shakespeare was the first surviving son for two earlier children, John and Margaret, who 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 died in childhood. Shakespeare uh, married Anne Hathaway of 18 in 1582. It is, however, interesting that Annie was 7 years senior and pregnant of the time of their marriage. Therefore, they had to welcome Susanna, their first child, very soon. After a few years, they welcomed twins. Sadly, one of the twins died of the 11. Okay, some important facts of William Shakespeare life. Okay, the first is he is born in the chancel of Holy Trinity Church in his hometown of Stafford, Worcestershire. In 1585, Shakespeare disappeared for almost 7 years, and historians call this period of a life the lost year. When 1952, he emerged as an actor and playwright, received the title of Upstairs Crow from Robert Greene. Shakespeare is credited by the Oxford English Dictionary to have introduced almost 3,000 words in English language. He wrote 37 plays and more than 150 sonnets and other poems. Okay, next slide is uh, William Shakespeare impacts on future literature. His pen book revolution change of the world literature even today. Research then to investigate how his work was social, political, and theoretical setting. He not replaced and poetry, but also managed to leave a permanent mark on how we live and speak he live and speak a contemporary culture. His writings are still subject to interpretation and translation in various languages. His writings his writing style influenced a large number of renowned writers such as Charles Dickens, Maya Angelou, John Keats, and Herman Melville. Okay, I think enough for my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.